Hello there, my crafty friends. It's Candy here from sweetstamper.com. That's my blog where you can find everything that's happening with me. I'm here in San Antonio, Texas, and I'm ready to share with you my monthly Candy's Card Club for May, where I'm featuring lots of new products. I wanted to give you a sneak peek and a heads up. So, let me tell you a little bit about Candy's Card Club. It is a monthly subscription, and that means that you get billed the same time every month and you don't have to worry about remembering to sign up. You are just automatically signed up and you're part of the club. So when you're part of the club, you do get a number of perks, but we'll get to that in a minute. So with Candy's Card Club, I take one stamp set or bundle each month and I design 8 projects around it. And essentially they're 2 each of 4 designs, but they're quite different, and I'll show you what I mean in just a minute. I do include envelopes with my card club, and you also get, in addition to the 8 card designs and the PDF tutorials to go with those, with lots of details and step-by-step instructions, videos sometimes, then you also get all of the pre-cut cardstock and supplies to make those projects. So that includes the dry embossing, it includes the die cutting. Anytime you don't have to stamp and die cut, I do the die cutting for you. And then you get usually a half a pack of paper, you get maybe some ribbon and some embellishments. So you get about $22 to $25 in product every month with your Candy's Card Club kit. That is plenty to make up the projects that I've designed for you. And then you have leftover. You can make more of the same. You can use those products in your stash of creative goodies. So let me give you a little sneak peek of the May projects, and then we will talk about what I'm using. So I am featuring a new bundle called Cheers and Sips, and we are doing 2 standard cards, and you can see what I mean by they're basically the same card that is been changed up for you. And so all of this embossing is done for you. You're going to get a half a pack of this very fun paper. It's called something about Cheers and Sips. You're doing 4 fun folds. I always include at least 2 fun folds. This month I'm doing 4, so I've got 2 of these pillar fun folds, and there's a little piece on the back for you to put your message. And then I'm doing a new fun fold that it's new to me. I've never done it before, and I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun with it. And it is called the Trifold Hidden Door Pillar. No, Trifold Hidden Door. So this is how it goes, and you open like, let me see if I can remember how you open it. You open this way, and then you have the little hidden door here, and it's just super pretty and fun. And so you have 2 of these. Let me see if I can do it right this time. Yep, and there's your little hidden door. Great way to show off your pretty paper. And then we're also doing 2 shaker cards. So these are faux shakers, and they're a lot of fun. So you get everything you need to make those 8 cards, plus a half a pack of the paper, plus the sequins that you're going to use for the shakers in here. And then you're also going to be just using those as little elements. And then you're also going to get this lovely new gold striped ribbon. Now, let's talk about the bundle. So I'm using Cheers and Sips bundle, and you can add that on at cost. So what that means is when you're a Card Club member, then you can add the bundle and I pay your tax and shipping. Or if you already have the bundle, of course, you're good. If you're a demonstrator, you will have access to order that right now. For everybody else, you'll have to wait until it goes, the new catalog and new products go live on May the 6th. You can, so those are the options to order the bundle. When I order the bundle for you, you forego your rewards because I'm placing that order for you and I'm already paying your tax and shipping. If you order it yourself, now with our new reward system, you get Stampin' rewards on that. So, you kind of have to balance what works best for you. You can do a single month of Candy's Card Club. So Candy's Card Club is $45 a month. If you want to do a single month, it's $49. There are extra steps I have to take when people are not part of the club as part of the subscription. You do have to register by the 12th of the month to get that month's kit. So for May, you have to register by May the 12th for that kit. Now, you are also, as a member, after 6 consecutive months, you get a goodie bag. And that is a really fun bag I put together with $25 value with products and projects and fun little gifties and all kinds of things that I can throw in there as a loyalty reward or loyalty gift. So I hope that you will consider Candy's Card Club for May. This has a lot of the new in colors. I've got Timid Tiger here. I've got the paper has all the new in colors. Let's see, I'm using Strawberry Slush here, Strawberry Slush here, Strawberry Slush ink. But all the new in colors are in this new paper. Now, I will also tell you, just in case you're looking in your new catalog for Cheers and Sips, Cheers and Sips is a bundle, but it is actually a new online exclusive that releases in May. It has a coordinating stamp set that's in the new catalog that is designed for scrapbookers. So these are two, almost like a mega suite, but one part of it is aimed at scrapbookers and one part is aimed at card makers, and they're in two different places. The paper, the designer series paper that is just delightful, this is in our new annual catalog. So just a little heads up on that. And you're going to get a lot of ideas on using this very, very fun paper. Again, it features all 5 of our new in colors and so many other colors because I'm going to be launching my new group for scrapbookers in May, and we're also going to be using the same paper. So you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck if you end up being part of my scrapbook group as well as Candy's Card Club. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for your consideration. Please let me know if you have any questions at all. You can sign up for my card club. I will have the link below the video here. It's also, if you go to my blog, sweetstamper.com, right at the top you'll see club, and it just takes you right there. The subscription is run through PayPal. You don't have to use PayPal per se to pay for your subscription. You can use a credit card, you can use a debit card. So that PayPal just administrates the payments. Somebody has to do that for us. So that is it. Again, thank you so much for your consideration. Take care and God bless.